Alright, so what I've decided to do is move this series of home improvement videos to a secondary channel, thus I can upload more of them more frequently and not flood the inbox of my main channel, Engineering Eternity, that is based around Path of Exile guides with this kind of content. I know a lot of you like to see it, so I like to upload it, plus I like to see it on record for myself to see what I go through, what I've done, and share it with family and friends. So in this video, we're moving on past the tree service that came in to take down the trees. As you can see here, almost all of those are down, but I've just been holding on to a lot of this footage because I was sort of waiting for stuff to finish up. So my plan now is to just upload when I have something substantial that I've done, or I have enough length of footage that it makes it worthy of a video. In this video, we're going to be starting out, like I said last time, with a bit of stumping with the Kubota BX23s that was shown in the end of the last video, and a little bit of stump grinding. So as you can see, there's a lot of slash, brush, stumps, and everything else left from the tree company. They are coming to mulch it, and or I'm having somebody mulch it, and I will be dealing with all of the stumps myself and regrading the land and what have you. I do have access to a Kubota, so we will be using that to do a lot of the work around here to pull out some stumps, do some grading, move material, pick up rocks, logs, and all the rest. As you can see here, Amy had first go at picking out a stump, and I picked out some after that, and of course we needed somewhere to put them. So to start out, we're going to be clearing out a path up over the hill such that I can dig a hole and bury some stumps. Of course, since I live in New Hampshire and very close to ledge and bedrock all around the area, because it is the granite state, I immediately hit ledge up here about 1 to 2 feet down, which is a reoccurring theme you'll see through the rest of the videos. I have a lot of rocks, a lot of ledge, and not much soil on top of it. So I'll do the best that I can to bury what I can and control burn anything else that I can't bury. I only grabbed a bit of footage for stump grinding, but my dad was on this machine all day and he managed to get about 12 stumps ground that were all over 20 inches in diameter. We did end up renting this again, which you'll see in the background of some other footage, and we ended up grinding almost all of the stumps that were necessary in the front and on the back ridge. Don't worry for all you professional stump grinders, I did take a chainsaw and chunk out the rest of the stumps so that they were pretty close to the ground, or as close as I could get them.